Hi, welcome to India Food Network. You're watching Veggie World with me, Arina. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a great classic Indian tea time snack of samosas, but with a little twist. It's corn and peas samosa. So if you want to know how to make it, keep watching. Let's take a look at what all we need to make corn and peas samosa. Half a cup of white corn kernels boiled, half a cup of green peas boiled, 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes cut into cubes, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder, handful of chopped coriander leaves, half a teaspoon amchur powder, 2 teaspoons of oil plus more for deep frying, 2 teaspoons of bhaji masala, salt to taste, and 2 teaspoons of ginger and green chilli paste, and firm dough made with 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Let's start by making the filling. Let's start by just taking the peas and the corn in the grinder. So once it's kind of crushed, we'll proceed with the rest of the filling. Let's start by heating some oil in a kadhai. Once the oil is hot, we'll add the ginger and the green chilli paste. Once it starts sizzling, we'll add the diced potatoes, the pav bhaji masala, the red chilli powder. We'll then add the corn and green peas crushed mixture that we did earlier. Then we'll add the salt, coriander leaves, and we'll just mix it up well. So once all the ingredients are evenly mixed, we'll add the amchur powder and we'll just mix it well again so that the amchur powder also gets mixed well. And we'll turn off the flame. We'll just let it cool to room temperature before we start filling the samosas. Now that the filling is done, let me show you how to make the samosas. We'll start by lightly dusting the rolling base and the rolling pin. We'll just take a little roundel of dough, flatten it lightly. We'll just roll it in the dry flour a little, flatten it. Just roll it out a little thin, cut it in half. We'll just take one half and fold in one side like this and just lightly dampen it with some water and hold the other side on top and press it lightly so it sticks together, and like this we have a cone. Make sure you seal the bottom. Just pinch it. We'll take some of the filling, put it in, dampen it with some water and fold the other flap. Pinch it again so it seals. Let's put the oil to heat. Now that the oil is hot enough, let's put in the samosas to deep fry them. These need to be fried on a very slow flame for a good amount of time so that they turn out crisp. So we'll just flip them over. You see the one side is nice and golden. Now that both the sides are evenly done, we'll take them out and drain them on some blotting paper to remove the excess oil. So here it is, hot samosas ready for your evening snack. If you like this recipe and would like to learn more, subscribe to India Food Network. If you have any other questions, do write in to us. Till then, keep watching.